Hello, gentlemen. How may I help you?
I need cough syrup.
All right. How long has it been?
Like 4 days.
Oh, okay. All right. Is it a productive or an unproductive cough?
Meaning?
Productive cough is also known as a wet cough, like when you cough, flames come out. And the unproductive one is also known as the dry cough, like nothing comes out when you're coughing. For the dry cough, you get antitussive or suppressant cough syrup. And then for the wet cough, you get mucolytic expectorant cough syrup.
Then I have dry cough.
All right. So do you feel pain when you are coughing?
Not really.
Okay. I'll be right back.